In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view deleted pages in Confluence. If you've ever removed a page and later realized you still need it, don't worry, Confluence keeps deleted pages in a dedicated area so you can review what's gone and even bring something back if you need to. I'll walk you through exactly where to find that list and how to restore a page, all in a clear, simple flow. First, head to the Confluence space where the page was originally deleted. This part is important because the trash is managed at the space level. If you look in the wrong space, you won't see the page you are expecting. Make sure you are inside the correct space before continuing. Next, look at the space name near the top and click the three dots menu. From that menu, choose Space Settings. Depending on your Confluence setup and permissions, the menu might be in the top navigation or near the space title. But it will always be associated with that space. If you don't see Space Settings, you may need help from a space admin. Once you are in Space Settings, go to the left sidebar and select Content. This section groups options related to the pages and information stored in the space, making it the right place to manage what's visible and what's been removed. Inside Content, select Trash. This is where Confluence lists all deleted pages for that space. You'll see the titles of pages that have been removed, often with details like who deleted them and when. If the list is empty, that simply means nothing has been deleted recently in this space, or items have already been permanently removed according to your organization's retention policy. Here you can review all available deleted pages. Take a moment to scan the titles and confirm you've found the exact page you are looking for. It's common to see multiple similarly named pages, so double-check the details before taking action. If you want to restore a page, click the Restore button next to that page. Confluence will prompt you with a confirmation screen. This step is just to make sure you are bringing back the right content. Click OK to continue, and the page will be restored. In most cases, it returns to its original location within the space, or as close to that spot as possible based on what still exists. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.